How's it going, everyone? So today we are going to make a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So today in the hickey video, I got a question from a subscriber. He wants to know how to get rid of a hickey in one night. And then I'll also talk about how to get rid of a hickey with lipstick cap. That was another question from a subscriber. So if you guys can see, I get a ton of questions on hickeys. That's why I'm making these hickey videos. For anyone wondering, I know it's a fitness channel, but when I first started, I started making these types of videos and this one really stuck. So I'm going to keep it as a topic. It's doing really well for me. So again, there will be lots of fitness videos. Trust me on this. But yeah, let's get started. How to get rid of a hickey in one night. So we'll talk about that first. Then we'll talk about the lipstick cap. So how to get rid of a hickey in one night. Will not take one night. I will tell you that. It will take 2 to 5 minutes tops. All you do is you get a device. Preferably, I would recommend a coin. If you don't have a coin, you can use a spoon. And all you're gonna do is rub the area where the hickey is on for 2 minutes. That's all you have to do. So generally, most hickeys are found on the neck. So get a coin, rub your neck for 2 minutes. That's all you have to do. Literally all you have to do, and you will get rid of the hickey. What will happen, and this happens in a lot of videos, or a lot of my subscribers talk about this, is that your neck will get red. That is the point. Your neck should get red because you're creating friction on your neck. So when your neck is red, let it be for about 10 minutes, and when the redness goes away in about 10 minutes, so will the hickey. It will be completely gone. So that is how you get rid of it in 2 to 5 minutes. Don't even need one night. So that answers that subscriber's question. Let's go to the other subscriber who asked about the lipstick cap. So yes, a lipstick cap will 100% work. The cap is literally just like the coin and just like the spoon. You're just using it to create friction. That's all you're doing. You can use any type of cap. You can use a bottle cap. A bottle cap would work perfectly. But yeah, lipstick cap, bottle cap. I'm trying to think of other stuff. Any caps. You can use a ball cap if you want to. Anything will work as long as it can create friction. So if it can create friction, then it will work. As simple as that. So I'm going to end it at that. I answered both of the subscribers' questions. If you guys have any other questions, which I do, I get at least 5 to 10 questions per day on hickeys. I will answer them next video. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. And please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. Thank you.